Just a short video on a fairly interesting lamp that I got recently, and a lot of other lamps. It is a compact fluorescent lamp meant for replacing up to about 150 watt linear halogen lamps, the ones that are about 3 1/8 inches long. Although it's using a discharge tube meant for a more conventional, sort of quasi A19 equivalent supposed GLS lamp, compact fluorescent lamp. Probably as a cost-saving measure, because typically these types of lamps use a series of multiple, usually 2 or 3 U-bends. But also those are much higher power. Those are typically on the order of like 12 to 15 watts or so. This one's 9 watts. It's 230 volt, 50 cycles per second, because this came from the other side of the Atlantic, as you can tell by the EAN on the barcode and the price being given in pounds. Although for these that doesn't matter at all. The type of sort of like a Royer oscillator, but not, I've heard it referred to as a resonant converter. That type of ballast does not care about frequency, at least within limits. Like depending on the rectifiers in it, may not be happy running on 400 cycle per second avionic electricity, but 50 cycle, 60 cycle, some of the weirdo frequencies used for railroad signaling, like what is it, 83 1/3, 91 2/3 cycle per second, 100 cycle per second for some railroads. This will run no problem.